Hey everyone, what's up? In my previous video, I gave you a secret formula to find your dream customer, right? I hope now it was pretty much clear. It was just a brief about it, but the topic is really in depth. So I would be covering in the later series of my videos about each and everything. But now, after knowing the secret formula, what exactly, how will you find these customers? Where will you find them? As you all know, internet is a very good tool, and it is like everybody uses internet for communication, for entertainment, for shopping, for dating, for so many other aspects. Internet is widely used all over the world. So these are the advantages of how internet can also be a very good medium for you to present your business, your brand, your product, your services, or anything what you have right now. Now let's talk about what is internet marketing. In simple terms, internet marketing is nothing but online marketing, right? Where you sell your product, your services, your brand, you do an advertisement, you use social media to sell your services online. So this is basically internet marketing. There are seven ways, rather types of ways, yeah, whatever. Yeah, so 7 ways where you can use internet in your own business. A very powerful medium is a social media marketing, which you can use, like Facebook, of course, Instagram, okay, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, yeah, and so many other platforms, even blog post. If you're good at writing blogs, then Medium. So these are the social media platforms where you can take your business forward. Apart from social media, you can also use internet in another type of marketing which you do on social media is the influencer marketing. So if you have anybody who is an influencer, you can just hire him or her to do the marketing of your product, right? Content marketing. So you have a very good content in front of you and you want to represent it in the form of words. So you can just do a content marketing. That's also very good. The fourth one is the search engine optimization, basically called as SEO. That's for the keyword search. So this, you would exactly know what are the trending keywords which you can use to represent your business, right? The other form of marketing through internet is also affiliate marketing, which is my favorite, and I'm going to speak about affiliate marketing in my next video as well. All right, and the sixth thing is about email marketing. Email marketing is very powerful. A list what you generate on an email is an asset for you guys, so you shouldn't be missing out on these things, right? Last but not the least is about video marketing, right? Videos are in trend now, and everybody love to watch video rather than reading a complete blog post, because the same message what is written in a sales letter or in a blog, if it is represented in a form of a video, that gives a powerful impact. So these are the 7 channels of marketing which you can use via internet to connect to your audience, to build your brand, to promote your product or services, to build yourself as a brand as well. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have liked my video, if you have gained any kind of a knowledge, even a little bit of something which you didn't know and you have learned, please do give me a big thumbs up. Do comment below on what kind of videos do you want me to make it for you, as well as subscribe to my channel, support me, turn the bell notification on, so it's good. Anytime I update a new video, you have a notification. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.